Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode on the Week's Day Off channel. Today we are back with a bit of an unconventional episode. Today we are going in to look at a game, I guess you could say. I wouldn't necessarily call it a game since it has really no functions or game mechanics yet, but it's the start, and it's something I've been working on just passively for a little bit and just been like throwing some effort at it every once in a while. But here it is. It's been written in pygame. One could argue a pretty bad way to write a game. But you know, I like Python. I'm making it easier for myself. Here we go. We're in pygame, and it's just a block-based top-down world right here. We have our water, we have sand, we have grass, we have little trees that pop up, little rocks that show up in our big bodies of water around here. And yeah, that's basically the map generation right there. The map generation is pretty much the only thing I use a non like trivial Python module in, just to create simplex noise that I use to build the map out to make it look somewhat natural. But besides that, everything else is just using pygame and basic like random and math functions in Python. There's no other built-in modules that I'm doing. I kind of challenged myself to do it from scratch in a way where I'm basically just using pygame and building out all of like the tools to make these UI features all myself, and all the art is being done by myself, which is why it looks so bad, and how these trees are all just very very plain, just basic rocks, basic trees. But that's what it is. It's just me just throwing stuff at a PyCharm coding window until I get something that looks like this. That's it has pretty basic. It just shows you what you're highlighting. We have this follows your cursor, shows you what you're highlighting. We got trees, we got rocks, and a very basic building mechanic where we have a non-texture right here. I literally just copied the grass texture because I haven't made like a little tooltip texture for the farm. But we have a little farm block here. We have the little highlight outside of it where I can place it down. I pop it down. Beautiful. We have a farm. And I can build some roads alongside it. Of course, can't build anything on top of trees, can't build anything on water, can't build anything over existing spaces or in water, as you can see. And I have this fine little beautiful bulldozer that can destroy trees and destroy these blocks. And that is about all the functionality. That's pretty much it. But thought I might show it off just to get everyone's opinion on the basics of it, and maybe if you have ideas for things I could add to it or a way I could take it, feel free to toss them in the comments, because I'm kind of clueless as to where I kind of want this to go. I had original ideas of making it some sort of like city builder, but at the same time, I don't know exactly how I'd get that going, and so I might try it, I might not. Who knows if I'll even continue working on it? But if people seem to like it and give me some ideas, throw some idea bones my way, then I may just make a small series out of showing off some improvements and updates to it. But that's about it. Oh yeah, and by the way, the world is randomly generating, so every single time you reload it, you'll be given it'll create a random seed and it will randomly generate the world. I guess technically you could get it. I think I set it up so there's like a billion different possible seeds. I could literally just change that and make it more by changing a few numbers around real quick, but yeah, I think that's enough for now. I don't think I'd ever be able to tell anyway. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any ideas, toss them in the comments. If you like it, whatever, just let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.